You're gonna hope this comes loose, which I don't think it's gonna. There you go. The color on this as it comes out of here. Yeah. Pretty brown. Should be a red color. I don't know if they use a special oil. I thought it'd be just transmission fluid. Yeah. Didn't see any metal shavings at all, but it's pretty brown. Go ahead and we're gonna snug this back up. There we go. And move that out. Start focusing on I start focusing on pulling this transfer case out. We got the transmission supported. We just got these bolts. Got to grab a wrench. Looks like a 14 millimeter. Using the boxed end. There we go. All right, everybody. I don't know how heavy this thing is, but I imagine it's Gonna have a little weight to it. Yeah, this last bolt here, pull out. And go ahead. Work this thing around here. There we go. All right, everybody. So that one was kind of short because the bolts took forever to get out. And I didn't want an hour of me moving wrench, 1/8 of an inch. I did end up dropping the transmission down. A couple clicks on the jack stand because I could not get to the top bolts. Moved pretty easy. And then we cut off a 14mm wrench that I had broke already previous years. Made it short. Man, it was easy to get in there. So next video, we're going to be rebuilding this transfer case with parts from Rigid Axle. He just bought a complete kit and then bought the input shaft to replace as well. So we'll find out what this thing looks like. So we'll catch you guys on the next one.